Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ann, and if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup and beauty related videos. We do a lot of makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, sometimes just makeup looks, makeup unboxings, and I guess just really pretty much anything related to makeup or beauty. But today we're gonna do something like, I guess, beauty fashion. We're gonna do 4 months of EARFLEEKs. I have not opened my EARFLEEKs in like 4 months, and I'm gonna get another one at the end of the month, but I figured it's time to unbox these. So what happened originally was, I think maybe June, July was my last unboxing. I did not get my bag. I checked, I had been charged, and I did not get it. Then, let me see, in July, August, September, October. Okay, that's it. July, August, September, October. So I didn't get the Julys. I didn't get the August. And then I didn't get then in October, like the end of October, I finally got, like, all 3 of these bags came in together, like, just like one day, next day, and just every day, like for 3 days, I got a bag. And then here's what they come in. I went ahead and took them out so we didn't have to waste so much time. I have not looked at them. I do not know what they are. But what EARFLEEK is a monthly earring subscription. It's probably like the cheapest subscription you will ever get or ever hear of. It's like $3.49. No shipping and handling or anything like that. It's just straight $3.49. They do have different styles. They have boho, minimalist, and I think they have another one. I'm not for sure what it's called, but they do have that. And then they do have like different, like, you can get the $3.49 one a month, or you can get the $9.99. Now, I'm going to tell you from my personal opinion and experience. I have never got the $9.99 one, but what happened is I got some gold hoops, like earrings. They dangled, but they had like gold hoops, and I got them in the $3 ones. I watched an unboxing of another woman, and she paid $9.99, and I mean, it was the exact same pairs of earrings. So I don't think I want to waste my money if I'm going to get the same thing. Okay, so you can choose from them, and they always charge you like on the 15th of the month. And normally, now that's the thing, they normally do send them out right after, like on the 16th, they're sent out. You'll get your email. Sometimes on the 15th, you'll get your tracking. They don't give you a tracking number, but they'll say, it's been shipped by the 20th. Normally, it comes from California. I'm in Kentucky, so normally by the 19th, 20th, I had them. I do not know what's been going on. I think it's got something to do with coronavirus and stuff like that. I think that's why they've been so late. I am getting, like, hot in here. So I think that's it. I think this is my new one. So we're going to wait and open it. So this is October. So it's like August, September, October. Yep. So this is for July, August, September, and October. And we'll have another one in November. I do like how they package them. They used to put them just like inside of a little envelope, and that was in a little plastic thing. But now you get these little baggies. Sometimes you do get a card to tell you how much they cost. This one does not have one. So you get the little baggie. And, ooh, these are pretty. And this is what they look like. I think they're so pretty. I am going to try them on. I did bring my alcohol like always, and a cotton swab that I've already lost. So I've been sitting all day Waiting for my BoxyCharm Premium to get here. Like, got an email this morning saying it was going to be delivered today, but no, it's never showed up. I do think these are cute, especially for like $3.50. You really can't beat that. So they are like, I'm just going to put one pair in, but they are like really, really cute. You can dress these up, you can dress these down, a white t-shirt, pair of blue jeans, and boots, and these earrings would look really, really good together. You can dress them up in a dress or whatever, so I do like these. So, first one's good. Okay, next ones, they feel like kind of like funny. Let's see, I've got something like these in gold. And I think maybe like a smaller pair of silver or something like that, but I do not have nothing like these. Now this one does have the card. They are retailed for $15.99. Are you gonna focus? I forgot to tell you, they always come with these little rubber pieces. So they are really, really cute. I would actually wear them. They're not heavy. Maybe for some people they would be, but I don't think they are. I don't know. But I do like them. You can like. But they are cute. Okay, so I like the first pair better. Okay, another pair. And these are retailed for $15.99. They're cute. I don't know. I might wear them. I might not. I don't know. I wear more silver, sterling silver or rose gold. But all my jewelry is pretty much sterling silver that I like wear all the time. They are cute. I just don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? They are cute. Okay. So far, I do like the first pair being my favorite. And then the second pair. And these are like my least favorite. Okay. Last pair. I feel like these are going to be my favorite. Okay. So these are retailed for $15.99 too. So I do like these. Oh. These are kind of like a rose gold color. They're not like gold. But I do like these a lot. I do have like some that I bought here a while back, some dream catchers. like, I don't know. I think I like them the best. I don't know. I really like the first ones. But these, I could see myself wearing these more often. Look, I got a black pair of studs that would go really good with this. Or I got some dice earrings that would probably go good with this. They're like a gold and black. But I know I got some like black studs that would go really good with this. So I don't know, which was your favorite pair? Just leave it down in the comments. I like this pair and the first pair the best. Then these. And the least favorite is these little dangly ones. My niece might actually like them. I might wear them. I don't know. If you guys would like to try EARFLEEK for yourself, I will leave the link down below. It is, like I said, the cheapest subscription. I think we all deserve a little gift sometimes. We work hard. We take care of kids, or I personally do. I take care of my husband, I take care of my kids, I take care of my house, take care of my animals. So, you know, sometimes I think a little gift doesn't hurt to buy yourself. And understand a lot of us is on a budget, and it's very hard even to go out to buy you a pair of earrings is hard to do, and I do get that. I get subscription boxes, but I do save, like, every month. Like, I have to have my money saved up to get them. And sometimes it is hard to do, but, and I do get that because I live in Eastern Kentucky, and it's like the poorest state there probably is, in the poorest side of Kentucky. Eastern Kentucky is like just no jobs, no nothing, but let's not get depressed. I am thinking I would like to move. I love Kentucky. It's my home, but I would like to move so that my children could have a better life. Like, move somewhere where there's better schooling, better. I homeschool them, but I don't want to. I don't think I'm going to continue homeschooling, like, cause I think it's better that they go back and make friends and like hang out with people and do, you know, like activities and stuff, social behavior and stuff like that. They do good, really good here at home, but I think they need to socialize more, and they'd probably listen to the teacher better than they do me. All I'm saying. But that is everything I got in my foremost of EARFLEEKs. It really didn't take that long. It takes me longer to unbox. 1 month of a makeup subscription takes like 15-20 minutes, and this was like barely like 10 minutes. I could have probably had this done in like 5 minutes, but it really don't. But I do like them. I don't know. These are just, they're funny. I don't know. I'm thinking, are these like an 80s style? I think they are. I'm not really sure. I'm going to have to look that up. I was thinking about doing an 80s makeup look on my channel. What do you guys think about that? I got a lot of stuff that I plan on doing, and I'm going to be going back to my regular schedule for sure, starting like this Monday. But this week I'll probably keep my schedule anyway. I upload every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that button. Would love to have you join the family. We're small, but we really like makeup and stuff. But I don't want to sound cheesy, but I do plan on keeping my schedule anymore and making sure I upload every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I've had a lot of stuff going on this year, and I know everybody has, and it's been like 2020 has like really kicked everybody's butt, I believe. But there is some people that I have seen and I have talked to, and they are thriving. Me personally, 2020 has been like a really bad year. It's just, I don't know, it's just like the world's falling apart, but everything's getting back on track. Everything's doing better, and seems like everything's falling back into place. And so I'm going to be able to keep my schedule and stuff like that, because I always try to make sure that I'm uploading, but I do know that sometimes I go a week without uploading, and I don't want to do that no more. I don't like doing that, and it ain't really good for the algorithm and stuff. It like, YouTube won't push your videos out or anything. They just like kick you back, and you don't hardly get no views or anything like that. And then people unsubscribe because, you know, you're never uploading. So I will be like keeping my schedule for now on. So we are going to be doing 3 videos a week, every Monday, Wednesday, Fridays. I don't know what times yet. I have been like uploading like between 8 and 9 o'clock at night here in Kentucky. I don't know what time I'm going to. I know I'm not going to do it like 8 o'clock in the morning because like I have subscribers like from here to California and stuff like that. So I do know I don't want to like set it like too early. So I'm going to set it where I live. It is going to be in the evenings. And I am going to start doing some lives and stuff like that. But I guess that is it for today. And I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.